They're becoming increasingly popular with new uses for them popping up all the time. We're talking about drones.
Sioux News reporter Derek Hagen attended a drone camp this morning, and he gives us a look at what the kids are learning.
You can't go anywhere now without seeing one of these little guys flying around. Drones have become part of society, with them being used in many different aspects, from work to recreation. Drones are taking over the world. With that, it's important to teach the younger generations the proper way to use this new technology. And that's where these guys come in.
We want to make sure that we teach them the safeties. We want to teach them the different controls. We want to teach them every aspect and every little thing that goes into flying a drone, whether it's the safety of it, the history of it. We want them to respect the technology as well as understand it and use it very wisely.
60 kids ages 9 through 14 attend the $150 week-long camp, learning all things drone.
I put the propellers, I screwed them onto the motors, and I put the battery in and I forgot how to say it. Calibrated the drone in 9.64 seconds.
Eli wasn't the only standout when it came to putting the drone together. Mia Reeby did hers in the second fastest time, saying her interest comes from her dad.
He puts together bits and pieces to make most of our computer stuff, and I want to be able to do that.
And for this camp, it doesn't matter if you are a teacher or a student, you're bound to have a good time.
I haven't met a kid who doesn't love flying drones. I haven't met a person that doesn't love flying drones. Everybody just loves drones. So I really like seeing the reaction of a kid who's never flown a drone and the first time they take off and land and just the excitement they have.
In South Sioux City, Derek Hagen, Sioux News.
The camp is put on by South Sioux City's Northeast Nebraska Community College Extension. It will continue for the rest of the week, and at the end of the camp, each participant will take home their very own drone and will be presented their junior pilot wings.